This tool accesses your client's Facebook, Google, and TikTok assets with one link.
Oh, I didn't know it did TikTok.
So, when you say, hey, client would be, I'm going to go in and check out your ad account and hopefully don't piss off your current agency. Well, and see what we can do. And hopefully you put together a plan that makes sense as opposed to putting together that's absolute shit, which I have seen many of you agency owners do. If you do that, it's time for you to sort of leave the space and go somewhere else and, I don't know, go collect trash. The point is for you good ones out there, Leadsy.com, seriously a cool tool.
It's nuts. Did you know it has a high level integration too?
Oh, everything has high level.
Yeah.
Sean Clark's everywhere.
Dude, I got to have dinner with him at TNC. He's my favorite human in the world. He's the most engaged founder I've ever seen in my entire life. He's just such a phenomenal person.
Yeah, he's amazing. He's amazing. I should have him back on the show again.
Yeah.
Another guy. There's another plug.
There's another tool too. If you're he's not in my mastermind though. He should join it. If you're not using high level as an agency, you're missing.
He has his own mastermind, I think.
He does, doesn't he? But he should still join mine. Yeah.
So pretty cool. All right. So Sean Clark and Go High Level. That's a bonus.
It's a bonus tool. If you're not using high level, you're missing out on the biggest, most disruptive marketing software in existence. And then, like you said, everything integrates with it. Leadsy integrates with it.
And is that a period and stop right there?
Period and stop. Full stop.
Yeah. Full stop. I want to say end stop.
Yeah.
Full stop. Full stop. I think you called me out on that when you used that phrase from stage at TNC, or I forget where it was. But anyway, it's kind of funny. So our little things that we say, period, full stop, Go High Level, best in class. Another one we both use, so I'm going to usurp this one slightly, is Metricool.
Metricool is cool.
Metricool is cool. Can you tell us a little bit about what Metricool does and how you guys use it?
Yeah, so we started using it just to schedule social posts. And that was it. Mm-hmm. And that's kind of how they get you. That's what's cool about some of these SaaS products that have multiple features is, and this is for anybody in the SaaS space, the real key is find that one lead in and market that. Stop marketing the and. Just find the lead in. So the lead in for us on Metricool, and I think this lead in for everybody, is the social scheduling. But once you're inside of it, you realize like, oh my goodness gracious, it does so much more. So analytics and reporting, competitor analysis. It has this thing called Looker Studio. I don't know if you use the Looker Studio in Metricool. Hashtag tracker. It has an AI assistant. I don't love the AI assistant, to be honest with you. I don't think it's great just yet. There's better AI elsewhere out there, but it also has smart links. And I use, like, if you go to Kasim.me, it just redirects to a Metricool smart link. And you can create like unlimited smart links, which is really helpful. And then it tracks the use of your smart links and it makes them easier to manage and all that fun stuff.
Oh, that's sweet. I didn't realize that did that. So we use a combination of HubSpot and Metricool. Yeah. I think we use Metricool for Twitter, if I'm not mistaken. It shows you how much I know about our social posting. But I didn't realize that there were tracking links also. Yeah. So that's super helpful.
Yeah. And then it's all in, kind of one cohesive ecosystem, which it helps because it ties into their reporting. It also, if you're a social media manager, it has, and we don't do this for clients, but if you're an agency or a freelancer that does social media management for people, it has an approval system, which is kind of nifty too. And to be honest with you, it's no money. Like when you look at what you get versus what you pay, it's unbelievably inexpensive. I think we're paying like $50 a month for it.
The free version is really good too.
Yeah, it's super robust. We started on the free version too. So they've done a really good job with that.
It's totally amazing. Give me the good stuff. You guys are paying tens of thousands of dollars to be in these masterminds. What do you learn? What's cool? What was the first one that you learned?
Post-purchase survey vendor no commerce, KNO commerce. And this is one of those things that I think is